Hello guys, welcome back to another Home of Nail Art tutorial. Today we're going over all things PureBond, what it is, what it's used for, and the inside scoop, so stay tuned. PureBond is the newest product in our gel system family and it has so many uses, so let's jump into some of the ways that you can use this during your treatments. With PureBond being a bonder product, the most common use is just after you've done your prep and right before base coat, and this is just going to add loads of extra adhesion to any of your treatments. That being said, PureBond is so much more than just a bonder. I also like to use it on lifted areas, so I remove the bulk of the lifted product and you can see there's a little lift line still there. Pop a little bit of PureBond on top of it, cure it for 30 seconds and it seals everything in. And because the product is so thin, it's able to go on top of and underneath any lifting and just seal it all in, blend it in as well, and then you can go in as usual with your normal infill. And here's a little cheeky before and after. There's the little lift line and voila, super easy, all gone. Another way to use PureBond is just to pop some onto the free edge and wherever you're going to cap. Or you can do what I do and just pop it all over the nail, because why not? You can never have too much adhesion. So I just put it all over the nail and cure it for 30 seconds and go in with my infill. PureBond is also used within our full cover tip system launching next year, Swift Tips, so check out that video separately to find out how to use it within that system. And very last but not least, it can also be used on top of PureBuild after you've removed an inhibition layer or after nail art, just for some extra adhesion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you've learned something. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below and I will see you in the next one. Bye.